Welcome back. Last week, you reclaimed hours of your time by using AI for research, planning, and meetings. This week, we're shifting from productivity to possibility. Week 5 is about unlocking your creativity. You'll learn how to use AI as a brainstorming partner that never gets tired and how to create professional visuals, even if you can't draw a stick figure. Let's dive in. Session 5.1, Brainstorming and Problem Solving. Have you ever sat staring at a blank page, willing a great idea to appear? We've all been there. The good news is AI is the ultimate creative partner. It never runs out of ideas, and it's not afraid to suggest something unconventional. Let me show you how to use AI for idea generation and structured problem solving. Start with idea generation. Need to engage your remote team? Try this. Generate 20 creative ideas for engaging our remote team. Be specific. You'll get a list ranging from practical to playful. Some ideas will be duds, but buried in that list will be 2 or 3 gems you would never have thought of on your own. For problem solving, be specific. Let's say customer retention is your challenge. I need to improve customer retention in the subscription box industry. What are 10 non-obvious strategies that don't require big budgets? The AI might suggest things like personalized unboxing videos, a customer milestone celebration program, or a surprise and delight loyalty tier. Ideas you can actually implement. For presentations that stand out, I need to present quarterly results engagingly. Suggest 5 creative presentation formats beyond standard slides. Maybe a newsroom format, a customer journey storytelling approach, or an interactive Q&A session disguised as a presentation. Now, here's a powerful 5-step AI problem-solving framework you can apply to any challenge. Step 1. Define the problem clearly. Give the AI full context in 2 or 3 sentences. The better the context, the better the ideas. Step 2. Ask for multiple approaches. Give me 5 different ways to solve this problem. Step 3. Ask AI to evaluate each option. List pros, cons, and estimated effort for each approach. Step 4. Refine the best option. Expand on option 3 with specific implementation steps. Step 5. Create an action plan. Turn this into a 4-week action plan with milestones. You've just gone from a vague problem to a concrete plan in minutes. AI didn't do your thinking for you. It helped you think better and faster. Session 5.2, Visual Content Creation. No design skills needed. Now, let's talk about visuals. If you think you're not a designer, this session is for you. AI design tools have democratized creativity. You don't need expensive software or years of training. You just need to describe what you want. Canva AI is your best friend here. Its magic design feature can transform a blank canvas into a professional graphic in seconds. Here's what you can create with zero design experience. Social media graphics. Type LinkedIn banner for a marketing consultant and watch Canva generate options. Presentation slides. Tools like Gamma.app can create entire presentations from a prompt like create a 10-slide pitch deck for a sustainable fashion startup. Infographics. Paste your data into Canva, describe the visual you want, and let AI arrange it beautifully. Professional headshots. Upload a casual photo to an AI enhancer and get a polished professional version perfect for LinkedIn. Report covers and one-pagers. Describe your topic. Modern workplace trends report cover. And get designs that impress. The key insight. AI handles the technical execution so you can focus on the message and the story.